Hi everyone, welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, and today, well, let's get fizzy with it. We're gonna do a cucumber blackberry mint vodka fizz. Stay with me, let me show you how it's done here in Hey Bartender. All right, so let's get into it, you guys. We're gonna do something really simple. It sounds like at one point you're gonna be like a little bit doing too much work, but trust me, this guy is absolutely tasty and it's so easy to make. So this is gonna be your blackberry simple syrup. All right, simple syrup is just really easy to make. It's gonna be 3/4 of hot water with 1 cup of sugar. And obviously you're just gonna stir until it's clear. You just add around 8 blackberries, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna muddle them while the water is hot, and you're just gonna let them sit. Once the water is just like warm enough or like room temperature, just make sure that you do what is called a fine strain. So you just like make sure that you get all the seeds away, and this is it. You're gonna have some raspberry syrup that you can use for a lot of things, mock cocktails, lemonades, or something like this. Now, let's get into this guy with 6 mint leaves. We want to put some cucumber slices. Let's add some vodka. Let's put 1.5 ounces. Let's get some Muddle. Let's give it a small little shake. Let's get your glass full with ice. And for the actual presentation of your cocktail, what you want to do is to make sure that your syrup, it goes all the way at the bottom, you guys. So we're gonna put approximately 3/4 ounce. For the actual rum with the mint and the cucumber, we're gonna do a double strain. And let's top it up with club soda. Your garnish, you gotta be a little bit of put a little bit of a creativity right here. So we're gonna put the lime, put some blackberries around, a little bit of a mint, and some little tiny pieces of cucumber around. Perfect for this summer. Here you have it. The vodka raspberry mint cucumber vodka fizz. Cheers. All right, you guys, thank you so much for all the love that you've been showing to me with all the views, all the likes, and all the subscriptions. Remember, if you like what you see, if you like what you drink, please like and subscribe. Cheers.